Station Atlantis on the big loop, initiating RPM in 3, 2, 1, mark. We copy.
Houston copies.
With that, Commander Chris Ferguson now will begin the slow 3/4 of a degree per second rotational backflip. This again is about a 9-minute maneuver. Poetry in motion as Atlantis conducts the final R-bar pitch maneuver in shuttle program history.
Station Atlantis on the big loop. Start photos. Starting photos.
And with that, a period of about 93 seconds of good photography now initiated for Sergei Volkov, Mike Fossum, and Satoshi Furukawa using digital cameras and high-powered lenses out of the Zvezda service module.
Station Atlantis on the big loop. End photos. Copy end photos.
And with that, the digital imagery comes to an end. Hundreds of photos were snapped during this 90-second period of available photography. Like no other vehicle can, the Space Shuttle completing its R-bar pitch maneuver. Passing over the North Atlantic, Atlantis holding rock solid. The rendezvous officer indicates to Flight Director Quatziela Barujo that Commander Chris Ferguson has flown a textbook R-bar pitch maneuver